Welcome to this session to learn more about Angel at Penn State University. I am Julie Meyer. I am located in the library, and you can contact me by emailing me at jmm49@psu.edu or calling me at 385-6054. Angel is the course management system that you will be using while you are here at Penn State. You will use it to find your classes, information and assignments for class, to turn homework in, and sometimes to take quizzes and tests, or even to communicate with your instructors through course mail. What will you need? You will need your Access account user ID and password that you received when you visited campus during the summer. If you do not have this account, if you misplaced it, or if you just completely forgot it, then visit the computer center where the authentication station is located to get one or retrieve your already created one. You must visit campus in person to get this, and you will need your PSU ID card. You will also need a laptop or a desktop with internet access, or visit the computer center. Keep in mind, you can log on with your smartphone or tablet, an iPad, but it does not work very well, so it is not recommended. Let's get started. Open a browser. Then go to angel.psu.edu or cms.psu.edu. Here, you will see announcements about Angel under the Public Announcements. Now click the Log On button. You will now be asked to enter your Penn State Access account user ID and password, and then press Enter or click the Login button. You will be able to do many things from the My Profile page in Angel. First, you will see a list of your courses, which your instructors have made online materials available to you. Keep in mind, you may be responsible for printing out your own syllabus and other handouts, so make sure you listen when you go to class. Keep in mind, also, you have a printing limit, so do not overprint, or you will have to add additional pages to your account. From the home page, you will quickly see if you have any course email messages. This is different than your PSU webmail, which you need to check for updates and communication from Penn State. You will also have links open near the end of the semesters to take your class evaluations or SRTEs. You will be notified that the evaluations are open, and on your own time, you go into the SRTE from the My Profile page and complete an evaluation for every class. You might also see class announcements. These are associated with your courses. You have access to a My Toolbox, where you are able to store bookmarks, store files, interact with personal calendar, and other tools. You will also see a list of My Groups, where a group, study group, or other team can create a group to interact with other members of the Penn State community. From this page, you have access to help by clicking the question mark or help button. You also have access to your preferences, which upon your first login, you will be prompted to update your personal information. Make sure you at least go in and make your contact information current to share with your instructor. If your name is spelled wrong, you need to visit the registrar to check your records. You can also forward your course mail to an alternative email, which you check frequently. But keep in mind, you always have to log back into Angel to reply and reply all. Finally, make sure you always log off by clicking the Log Off button. This is important to close the loop of your activity in Angel. This is very important if you have just submitted homework to a Dropbox or have taken a quiz. The first time you log into Angel, you will be requested to update your personal information. You can go back and update this at any time by clicking the Preferences button, or the little people head button. It is important to share contact information with your instructor, and you can do this by keeping this page current. If you do not want to share your information with the whole class, just pull down and choose Team Leaders. This will allow only your instructor to see your contact information. When you update any of this information, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. You will also want to forward your Angel course mail, which is different than your PSU webmail. Click System Settings from Preferences, scroll to the bottom, then enter your forwarding address, then pull down Forward My Course Mail and Keep as New. Then at the bottom of the page, click Save. Copies of your course mail will go to that forwarding address. Do not reply to the email that you read frequently. Make sure you log into Angel to reply or reply all to course mail.